Make sure you edit it and make sure you show me it before you edit it.
Does Adam work on that toilet?
Thank you.
Yeah, back in 2012 when we heard about the standards check coming in, we were all panicking and spoke to Faisal, and under the name of TC Instructor Training, Faisal held about 7 meetings. Was it 7 or 8?
Probably
8. I knew you got put one. Probably 9 now, isn't it? Anyway, he, at the drop of a hat, he had these meetings. We had them at St Albans, we had them at Luton, and it was absolutely brilliant because we knew nothing about the standards check. And then we had a new driving test coming in. I think the right reverse was mentioned a few times.
That's it.
That was
tanked, wasn't it?
But he's been ever so helpful, and he leaves on the 16th of August? 12th of August.
13th is the official last day, but I've got leave and stuff in between that.
But it's going to take a very, very special person to fill his shoes. I hope you got something for that.
Don't be looking at me. Sorry?
To finish shorts.
Sorry, I do apologise. I was out with the kids.
Yeah, Faisal, you've been absolutely brilliant. Anybody here who's actually dealt with Faisal, I'm sure people have actually rung him up, asked for advice and guidance. I see a few people here that I know have. He always gets back to you. I don't think you're probably going to get that service anymore, but fingers crossed we might do. Faisal, this is just from me, so thank you for the 8 meetings that you've done.
Thank you.
Yeah. And that's from Ian Robertson, for the man who's got everything. No, it's not really ours, I've lost it.
That's from Mr. Robinson.
No, it's not ours, let's put it back. I don't know, you want to say a few words about the man here?
Yeah, I've known Faz for, well, it's got to be almost 20 years, isn't it? Faz on and off.
Yeah, 20 years.
Yeah, so when I was instructing, fucking was it
2003.
That's when you were, when I was instructing. And I think, to be honest with you, he's going to be a massive loss to everybody, I think, within the agency. I think the amount of experience, knowledge, like Tony just said, it's irreplaceable, really. You know, so he's been a great help to me over the years. Well, sometimes anyway. All right, but overall, I think as an agency, it's a loss to the agency. But that's, you know, he's moving on to bigger and better things. You know, so all the best to him in the future. You know, well done.
Right, so we'll give Faisal a few minutes to wipe the tears away, and I'll pass on to Martin, and he'll take some questions.
That's awful women, isn't it?
Well, Ian Robinson's not here, so...
Yeah, but Ian doesn't answer any questions anyway, does he?
He does.
Ian's horizontal. Anyway, has anybody got any questions that I can answer? If I can't answer, you can't ask me a question at the back. I'll pass them over to Faz. You know, because it is the man that knows everything.
I've got one.
Oh.
So, when you're in lessons or tests, are we allowed to pull our pupils over onto a W line and say, don't worry about the W lines at this occasion, we want to
I'm not allowed to record this bit, so I've got to turn that off, yeah?
Anything to do with assessment, that has to go off.
Are we supposed to pull them over on W line?